Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to cut music in Capcut. Let's begin. Cutting music in Capcut is a straightforward process. So the first thing that you need to do is to open the Capcut app. And from here, if you want to start from scratch and begin your work, you might want to click the Start a New Project. If you have an existing project already, you might want to click on it to begin your work. From here, as you can see, my video doesn't have any audio. And all I have to do is click the section here that says Add Audio. All right. If I do that, what will happen is there are a couple of options at the bottom part corner. You have the sounds, brand music, copyright, sound effects, extract, and text to audio. If you click the sounds section right here, you have all these options for you. If you wanted to search for a music for vlogging, VIP hot, and travel, you want to make sure that you avoid the audios with the pro watermark because it requires a pro subscription. So how about we wanted to use this poetic rhythm of concentration from it's a bossa nova. If you click the download button here, what will happen is you will have a preview. You can drag to listen out to the sound if you want, right here. Just to make sure that this is going to be the sound that you wanted to be part of your video to create a cohesive effect. If you're happy with it, just click the plus button, all right? But you would notice that once you click the playhead and play the video all through, right here, the video ends around like 14 seconds or 16 seconds. The thing is, the audio runs around like 1 minute plus, so we don't want that. So for us to cut that music, the extra part of the audio, all I have to do is, you see the white line here, white vertical line, that is going to be where the video ends. All we have to do now is go to the section right here. You see this white vertical text, click the section here that says edit. You see this like a scissor icon? Then click this split section right here. You see this? Now, if you tap the left side, that is going to be the second audio. This our first audio. The second audio is where we wanted to cut. All right. So all we have to do is, once you selected the audio that you want to cut, click the delete button. There you go. You have successfully cut the music here on the video that you have previously created. All right. From here, you want to make sure that the audio is synced together. And then go to the 720 plus if you want to increase the resolution, if you want to export it to 4K, frame rate, code rate, and smart HDR. But the thing is, the estimated file size will be this, so we're not going to do that. Let's decrease the file size and then click the export button so we can send it to our client, or if you're working in a collaborative environment, send it to your team members following these platforms. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.